Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve recording quality in OBS Studio step by step. By adjusting a few settings, you can record sharper and smoother videos. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Next, click Settings in the bottom right corner. Then select the Output tab. Under the Recording section, set the recording quality to High Quality. Next, choose a recording format such as MKV or MP4. Then click on the Video tab. Set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor resolution. Next, set the output/scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080 for full HD recording. Set the common FPS values to 60 FPS for smoother videos, or 30 FPS if your computer is less powerful. Then go back to the Output tab. If you're using hardware encoding, select H.264 or your graphics card encoder such as NVENC, AMD, or QuickSync if available. Increase the bitrate to improve video quality. Once you've finished, click Apply. Then click OK to save the changes. Start a test recording to check the video quality. And that's it! You've successfully improved the recording quality in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.